In this video, I'll share with you some socks in my sock drawer. These are my sock designs, and this video will focus on my sock designs that feature color work. First up are my Graphite Socks. These were originally published in Cast On magazine in the May to July issue from 2015. It is now available as a standalone pattern in my Ravelry and PayHip stores. It will be linked in the description box below. These socks feature a round toe and a slip stitch color pattern in the foot, an afterthought heel, and the slip stitch color pattern continues on the leg, and the cuff is bound off with a stretchy bind off. You come back in with the contrasting color and work the afterthought heel. This sample used Lorna's Laces Soulmate yarn. Here's an up-close look at that textured colorwork pattern. You're only ever holding one color at a time since this is a slip stitch pattern. So it looks a lot more complicated than it is to work. Next up are my Light the Torches socks. These were published in Cast On magazine spring 2017 originally. It is now available as a standalone pattern in my Ravelry and PayHip stores. These socks begin at the toe with two colors working a spiraled round toe, and then the stitch pattern is worked along the foot. It is a slip stitch colorwork pattern, and a placeholder for the afterthought heel is placed, and then the leg is worked with the slip stitch pattern, and the cuff is bound off with a stretchy bind off. The afterthought heel is placed knitted last in this two-color afterthought heel. This sample used Lorna's Laces Shepherd Sock Multi yarns. Here's an up-close look at that slip stitch pattern. Next are my Up and Down Arrows socks. These were originally published. I self-published these in the fall of 2022. They use another slip stitch colorwork pattern, and both socks are reverse direction. This sock was worked from the cuff down to the toe, and this sock was worked from the toe up to the cuff. They both use a short row heel for the heel. For this sample, I used Knit Picks Felici Fingering Weight yarns, one skein of the black and one skein of a color. Here's a close-up of that slip stitch pattern. They're nice and squishy. They make for a quite comfortable pair of socks. So those are a few of my sock designs featuring colorwork slip stitch patterns. What do you think of these? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be showing you some more of my sock designs in future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.